Here's another game that shows you to not be scared of taking weirdly. Maybe if you saw the last game number 3, you probably know what I mean. If you don't, let's see. Let me show you. So we're gonna skip some moves here. We're gonna go fast, and I'm not gonna explain anything here. I'm gonna just show you the game, and when we get to the critical position, then I'm gonna stop and explain something. Okay, this looks like a London system against King's Indian. Okay, now we are close, and this is the position. So I would advise you to think about this position a little bit and think how can you maybe exchange some or actually this one. How can you maybe exchange some pieces even though it looks bad at first, but actually it's not. So I'm gonna show you the move. It is bishop f3, and the reason white is exchanging here on f3 is because this bishop is really strong, and our pieces are staring at this pawn, and we want badly to push this pawn and gain more space, play in the center, but this bishop is preventing that. So that's why we play this move, shatter the structure around the king, but we achieve something much better. King is not that much in danger, so we don't really care about that. So he takes, and now he played queen d5. He wanted to prevent d5, where we would have nice space advantage, I would say, and yeah. So queen d5, we take on e7, and now we have a passed pawn. He takes here, and we play queen g5. He was threatening to give perpetual checks. Check here, we go here, he goes back, and so on. So white didn't want to allow that. Didn't want to go for a draw, and he played this move. He wasn't scared of giving up this pawn, because taking this pawn is actually a mistake, because it is allowing us to push our pawn further up the board. So now we see that this pawn is really dangerous. We have a nice position, and now it is just a matter of playing some precise moves to convert this advantage. So first, white plays this move that is maybe in the future trying to stop this pawn. Also, maybe in the future can block the check if black checks at g4, and also preparing some interesting idea that you're gonna see now. a5 and rook f3. Rook f3, the idea is this: if he plays, for example, continues to push this pawn, then we can play rook f7. And now if he takes, we have this check and this is gonna be mate. So that's why black prevented it. Rook e2, e3, protecting the rook, and also it is going to be useful to prevent this push in the future. a4, and now rook d3. And again, now we have we are threatening to push here, and that's why queen goes back. But now queen prevented d7 push, but did not manage to prevent this idea. Now if he takes, we have check. Try to visualize it. He can block, but then we give this check and we are winning the queen. He tries a3, queen d5, going for a discovered attack. He steps on to the side, and now nice tactical move, attacking the queen and also attacking the bishop. Gives a check, but you see we put a rook, we were being smart and we put a rook on a nice square where it can block. And last try, and we have two nice ways to win here, and he chose the one of them, which is also nice, check, and then this move. So now if he takes here, we take the queen, and if he takes here, we still take the queen, he takes the rook, and we take this rook. And that's a game over. That would be it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.